I've been framing for 32 years.
I've been framing for about 20 years now.
After using this Makita gun, we've had very limited issues.
They get dropped, it doesn't bend, and it's fast.
El peso es bueno, no es pesado, es más liviano que las otras pistolas anteriores, es mejor.
Again, it goes back to being dependable, reliable. They don't break, they last, and they take abuse from the job sites. I've been happy with Makita. I wouldn't go to anything else now.
Me gusta cómo trabajan, me gusta cómo clava, la eficiencia, la rapidez, el momento de deslizarla. Eso es rápido.
Hasta hoy llegó Makita para quedarse, creo, y es mejor para nosotros. Desde que llegó Makita, es mejor.
As far as the gun itself shoots, it's awesome. And it's tons of power. You only have to shoot it once to realize that it's going to work good.
Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The installation drill driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard-to-reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces. Dash work, confined areas, it really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
Drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads just changed out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing 1 that can do it all.
A spark-free cutting solution for rebar and steel rod without the cord.
The Makita 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless rebar cutter. The XCS01Z will cut up to 60 grade number 6 rebar with a cutting range of 1/8 inch to 3/4 inches and a cutting head that rotates a full 360 degrees. The long-lasting cutting blade provides up to 4,000 cuts before requiring replacement. It's an ideal solution for work away from a power source or in remote locations.
Yeah, the Makita rebar cutter is great. It saves a lot of time. A lot of state regulations don't allow us to use torches on certain job sites. I have uncles and cousins that are in the rebar industry that have their own companies, and I highly would recommend this tool to them.
The hard-working XCS01Z is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger.
Power and the consistency of the cordless concrete nailer, it surprises you because you look at it and you think it's gonna have a powerful recoil, and then when you press it, it's very soft and gentle, so you can just keep on going without having to worry about a recoil.
Yeah, concrete nailer is really good, it's consistent, it's fast and easy to use. I think it's one of the best in the business. The projects we've been using this product for are tracks. It actually keeps up with the steel and the concrete, so it's good with both.
My name is Ricardo Solorzano. I work for Now Specialties, and I've been in the trade for 10 years. So, you know, it still have the washers on them, doing the same thing as a power actuated.
When we're using the concrete nailer, it's actually a gain of productivity and doesn't slow us down, it makes us go faster.
I can change the battery real easy and just keep on going without having a missing time of work.
What I do like about the new DeWalt nailer is, you know, you can use your battery that you already use on with your cordless, just swap it on, put it on, and you're ready to go. You know, ever since I've been working in construction, I've used DeWalt. It's a great product. They come out with new products and great products.
If you've ever used a manual grease gun, you'll know how messy and fiddly it can be. Holding the unit while you're pumping the handle, watching for excess grease. And if the equipment hasn't been greased for some time, getting started can quite often be a two-handed operation, just pushing through any clogged grease fittings. Thankfully, Ryobi's 18-volt 1 Plus powered grease gun effortlessly produces 10,000 PSI to overcome this problem. It also has a few extra features to make greasing of your equipment quick and simple. For starters, it takes a standard 450-gram grease canister. It has a long 76cm hose for reaching into difficult spaces, and its LED light illuminates greasing points, which, let's face it, are often tucked away in the dark. And this locking feature helps avoid mess or wasted grease. The Ryobi grease gun is perfect for ride-on mowers, trailer wheel bearings, especially boat trailers that are in and out of salt water, caravans and campers, older four-wheel drives that you service yourself, farm machinery, forklifts, hydraulic trolleys, even garage door wheels and gate hinges. Finally, once you've finished greasing everything that used to squeak, sit back and enjoy the silence.
Ryobi, a cut above. Introducing the Ridgid PEX 1 Press Tool, solving your biggest PEX press challenges on the job, like the reach and a miss. Can't get a crimp? Now you will, with the Ridgid PEX 1. Oh, the great barrier beam. In a tight spot? Well, not anymore. The hippie shake. You know, they don't pay you to dance. Unless you want to. The Ridgid PEX 1 12-volt battery PEX tool. Now press PEX with one hand. Get into tight spaces. And keep going at full power through 150 plus crimps.